Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a Bitcoin transaction on Cash App. Now this can be challenging due to the nature of blockchain transactions. So here's what you need to do. 1. If the transaction is still pending or confirmed, there's a slight chance it might be cancelled. 2. Reach out to Cash App's customer support team for assistance. They might be able to help, but success isn't guaranteed. Just simple as that. You see, Bitcoin transactions are typically irreversible once confirmed on the blockchain. You might have paid a network fee, which will be non-refundable, and Cash App support team might not be able to cancel the transaction. Given the irrevocable nature of blockchain transactions, it is very crucial to double-check transaction details before confirming. If you've encountered an issue, contact Cash App support, because that is the best course of action. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.